So guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you can see this is come to this website www.gigabyte.com. This is, and then this is search button. Okay, click on search, then enter your model number, and then hit enter B660MK DDR4. Then click on the title of the motherboard. Click on support. Then guys, select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11, 11 Windows 10, 11. Okay, so select any installations process same. You can see this video and you can install the driver. Okay, LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and this is size. Always download the latest driver. It is completed. LAN driver, just open it. Double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds to complete. It will pause automatically and this is installed. So it is done, means this is close.